Hi, I'm Helke. I'm here to talk about sustainable lifestyle. And, and today I have to tell you something because the questions I was receiving, sustainability is for everyone, every single one of us. It's not for being glamorous or fancy or this ecological hotel that you go or this stylish lifestyle that you're always in the gym or doing something amazing or buying those products that's really nice but also really expensive. It's not about that. It's about what we do in our regular life. So okay, you are normal as me, so this is for us. This is not for other people that has, I don't know, this dream of being really different. For it causing an impact, you just have to be regular and doing things in a way that you can improve every day. It doesn't matter if you, oh, I don't do everything perfect. I think nobody does everything perfect. I don't do everything perfect. I just trying to improve every day. So let's go for like each day is a different day and you can do a little better. You can tell me, oh no, but you know, I have no way. I really do prefer going to work by car, and I use my car and I go alone. And yes, this is like a lot of emission of CO2 in the atmosphere, but and the other stuff that you can do, and or everything that you save at home so you don't spend much water and you save energy and a lot of other things. So don't feel bad because something you cannot do, but I'm sure you can do a lot of other stuff. I have a friend, she loves to traveling, and she knows that the footprint for traveling is really bad because of all the CO2 from airplanes. And I was telling her, why don't you try? Because one thing, when you're traveling a lot, you helping local economies for the place that you go, and you're not buying a lot of stuff because you use your money to travel. So it's a good thing. But could you put some money on planting trees, reforestation from some places? If you can use that, that would be amazing. And still have this really nice way of living. And you know, other thing that's really important, do you have joy in your life? I would like to have a lot of joy in your life, because happy people tend to do good things, you know. So be happy, and that's what's about. Let's do things that make us happy. And I'm sure when you do something that you think, oh wow, this is, it's good, it feels good, so you get momentum and you start doing more good things. And today was funny because I was having a conversation on WhatsApp with my mother and my niece Tayana. She's traveling. She's in South Bahia. It's a really gorgeous place, like paradise. But at the same time, it's really simple. She was telling me stuff about there, and my mom, well, we were like having this conversation, and it's so funny because everything ends up in sustainability. Our family is like this. And my mother, she was always like this. I was brought up in a way that my mother would never pick up a blank piece of paper to just leave a note. She would pick up a paper that already has something written on it like this, and she would use the other part, she would write. I was brought up that way. So, and she would do that because she didn't want to have just throw things away, because she would think that was this was throwing money away, and she was always want to save money for education, for traveling. So this was so natural. And she sent us something about our poor people don't need to learn about sustainability because they already do it, you know. It's like the old towel transforms in the rag, or the container for something that you bought is your new Tupperware, and all that. And I said that I do the same, you know. You gotta see my cabinet. Then I showed a picture of my cabinet, and then she was like, oh my gosh, if people see that, are they gonna love you or regret forever what you do. And I said, this is so simple. Why do I have to buy containers if I do have containers here? You know? And here I also, in Rio I used to do that, but here I also do. I buy in bulks. And now you don't have to use their containers anymore. You can just take your container and put the things. You just have to weight it. And then what do? I buy some stuff that comes in like glass jars and this kind of stuff. After I use it, I keep it. That's my Tupperware collection. And then I even take this to the store so I can buy in bulk and use those for being my container. That's really sustainability, you know? Let's make a game here. Why don't you put on the comments what do you do that you think is really sustainable? It's simple as have you done it your whole life, and still is a sustainability thing. So why don't you put this in comments? Let's see what everyone does, and probably you do something that's really simple and really special, and other people can use that also. Don't you think it's gonna be fun? Let's do it. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Let's continue this journey in a simple way. It's an easy way. This is for everyone. Let's change bit by bit our habits, and I think we're gonna have something really positive coming from this. Okay, thank you for being here. I really want to see what you're gonna write here. I think it's gonna be fun.